welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be making a fall weather meal. It's going to be the Instant Pot beef stew. First, I'm going to start chopping our vegetables. I'm going to chop up some carrots and some celery. What are some of you all's favorite fall meals? Comment down below and let me know. If you wanted to, you could just put the baby carrots in as it is, but I like to chop them up smaller for the kids. Now I'm just going to be chopping some baby potatoes in half. What are some of you all's favorite fall activities? One of mine is taking the kids apple picking and also to the pumpkin patch. I think fall is one of my favorite seasons. It's just, I love the weather, like the 60s and 70s. It's the perfect weather for me, and just the cozy feelings you get. I just love fall. Now I have a 3-pound beef chuck roast I'm going to be cutting up in small pieces. Now I'm going to season the beef with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm just going to brown the beef in a little bit of avocado oil on the stove. Now I'm just sauteing the onions and garlic in the Instant Pot. I'm adding in about 2.5 cups of beef broth. Now it's time to add in all of the chopped vegetables, the carrots, the potatoes, and the celery. I'm adding in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, adding 1 bay leaf, the browned beef. I added in a teaspoon of dried thyme also. I'm adding in a little bit more beef broth and then also 1 can of tomato sauce. Now it's time to set the Instant Pot max to 35 minutes on high, and I'm going to do a natural release. Okay, now while the stew is cooking, I'm going to be making some cornbread. I'm going to make 2 boxes. I just need about 2/3 cup of milk and 2 eggs for 2 boxes. And I mix everything up and then we put it in the oven. Comment down below and let me know if you all have an Instant Pot or if you're going to be getting one. I just love the Instant Pot. It makes cooking so much easier. It makes things go a lot faster. Okay, once it was done, I did add in a little bit of frozen peas and also a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with a tablespoon of water.
So good. So good.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I post a video.